Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix pairing unsuccessful on any iPhone. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now from here, just tap on the eye icon in front of the name of your Bluetooth device, then select forget this device. Now just tap on forget device. Now from here, just turn off Bluetooth. Now just wait for a few seconds. Then turn on this toggle to enable Bluetooth again on your iPhone. Now from here you will find the signal of your Bluetooth device. Now just tap on it and try to connect again. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, just go to your home screen. Now just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now just open the connection section in your control center. From here, just tap on the airplane mode and enable airplane mode on your iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds. Then tap on airplane mode and disable airplane mode on your iPhone. Now after that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now from here, just go to screen time. Then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now if content and privacy restrictions is enabled on your iPhone, just disable this toggle to disable it off on your iPhone. It might ask you to enter the passcode of your parental controls. Just make sure you get the password of the parental controls, then disable this option from here. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Now from here, you'll find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it and tap on reset. Now once you do that, a small pop-up menu will appear on the screen. Now from here, just select Reset Network Settings. Now just enter your lock screen passcode. Now just enter your parental controls passcode. From here, just select Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix pairing unsuccessful on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.